Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shallen Verma and I am a periodontist practicing in UAE for almost 23 years. I'm really excited to welcome all of you in this wonderful conference which is happening in Kochi from 26th to 28th of November. Now the topic is so wonderful, how to prevent the complications and how to convert it into success. I feel that the best way to deal with complications is to plan the case properly. Now, when we plan a case properly, automatically the complications will be less. Now, there are so many factors associated with this. One of the impending factors is bruxism. Whenever we see a case of bruxism, we just think of some occlusal adjustments or a bite guard. But actually, there are things much more way beyond just simply doing this. How can we effectively diagnose a case? How do we order a proper blood investigation in such situations? So we need to uncover what is the complex interplay between bruxism, implants, and other systemic conditions which are associated with it. I am really excited to discuss all this with you, and I'm really looking forward to meet you all. Thank you. Once again, I'm looking forward to see you. Thank you.